How to enroll to M&T Bank mobile banking application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to enroll in M&T Bank mobile banking, here are the steps. First of all, download the M&T mobile bank on your mobile device by going to Play Store or App Store. Once that is done, launch the app and tap on Enroll option on the home page. If you cannot find it, you can head over to the official website and search for the app account as well. Next step is you have to give in your personal details. This includes account information or debit card information. For account information, it requires account number, SSN, and the date of birth. For debit card information, it requires your debit card number and verification. Once you have verified for this, you have to review the online services agreement. Tap Continue to proceed, and then you can set up your online banking profile. This way, you have to create your login credentials, including user ID and password. Enter your email address. Choose and answer 3 security questions to ensure your security account recovery. And after entering all required information, tap on Submit to complete the process. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.